Libra, welcome to my channel. Welcome to your new reading. This is a reading for the Libra Collective. Sun, Moon, Rising. It is general. It's timeless. Whenever this reading finds you, there will be something that resonates. Something, a message perhaps, some advice, some guidance. Take from it what you need when you need it. Libra, when you come across it. Going to look at 5 tarot cards from the Ibis Tarot. Then we also going to have a look at the 3 oracle cards that have come out in the shuffle for you. Libra. The Knight of Wands is leaving your domain. It's leaving your vicinity, it's leaving your neighborhood. He is riding off. He will be part of your past. That may have already happened. A kind of a fiery person, youngish. If not young in age, then young in mind, or immature, let's say. Not a king, it's a knight. He is on the way to becoming a king. There's no doubt about it, but perhaps it was a matter of a love connection. It could have been some sort of advisor. Could have been from your family, friends, work colleagues. So he may have given you support in the past, and physically, emotionally, mentally, and spiritually. But he is now being left behind by you. You're moving on from him. It might have been a she. Take the genders as they resonate. You have 3 of Swords here. It's a bit of a battle zone. It's a bit of heartbreak, heartache. Perhaps him leaving has affected you worse than you would have thought it would. But alas, it was for a reason. So we cannot argue with the reasons for the breakup or the uncoupling, disassociation, whatever you want to call it. But it is having a stronger effect on you than you are expected. You want to concentrate on your work here. You want to concentrate on bettering the financial situation here. You want to stimulate some material growth, abundance, prosperity. Get some financial stability and security handling your money. There is enough coming in to cover the bills at the moment. There's nothing much left over, though. So it's a question of finding ways to increase this financial situation and come out of the frugality. You are, after all, the Mistress of Pentacles here. Now, the Mistress of Pentacles is an earth sign. You are air. So this is your earthy representation. This is your stable self. The stable self that is very self-confident. It's a lot of inner security, self-respect. self-worth, self-control. And above all, very good with handling finances, so it won't be very difficult for you to cook something up regarding the finances to stimulate the growth. Make the coffers full, let the money flow. You are also very grounded right now, or you will be in the near future. You will be very grounded, you will be very safe within yourself, because you believe in yourself, you connect with your higher self, you have an expanding consciousness, you have a higher awareness, and your growth is really coming on here. You're not restricting your growth, you're actually stimulating it. And you're doing a lot of self-healing. You're taking time out, taking a break to replenish your energy whenever you need to. And your worries and your anguishes will dissipate, especially when it comes to this past connection here. Then we have the Two of Pentacles. See, there is movement here. Number 2, make a decision. So there is options, there is opportunities, possibilities, there is new potential to increase the financial situation. But you're weighing up the options one by one, you're taking your time, you're very settled, you're not making a rash decision, you're very thoughtful about the situation. You're taking all these circumstances into consideration. Let's see what the oracles have to say to you, Libra. Let's make some more room here for the oracle cards so you can see them all. Take in the colors, take in the vibrations. Wow, you got the Forest. That's a lovely card. I love this card. It is so positive. Oh, and so is this one. And then we have a leap. We have a leap of faith. We have a leap into the future. Wow, things are looking up, Libra. The forest is your sanctuary. You are so connected with this here. The tree of life, your chakras are opening. Your awareness, I did say you're connecting to your higher self, expanding that consciousness. Yeah. Self-confidence, awareness, inner strength. So the forest is your sanctuary, that's where you find solace, that's where you find inspiration, long walks in nature, tree medicine will heal your heart. Eventually. There's no way we can ever speed up a grieving process. If that's what's going on here, you may be grieving this relationship that has gone. But you're finding yourself in the process. You're transforming into a more spiritual being, connecting even tighter with nature, realizing that this is your salvation. And you're taking a leap here. A leap of faith, you're going on a journey. It could be a journey of self-discovery. It could be a physical journey. It'll be different for everyone out there, but you will feel very creative, you will feel very inspired. You have lots of new ideas and vitality. You're leaping into the future with optimism, with positivity, with renewed strength, renewed purpose and brightness. You are thankful for your blessings because the tide is turning. Blessings of the past, the present and the future. You are always very grateful. Wow, this is a really beautiful reading. It is very spiritual, even though we're dealing with material things. But we can be both. We can be material and we can be spiritual. Human beings are very adaptable, especially Librans. You adapt to the situation and you take action accordingly. We could say you're a little bit of a chameleon, which is very useful in a lot of situations. So, but you're finding your inner safety, you're finding your inner foundation in the forest, which is healing your heart, increasing your potential, leaping forward into a new cycle. This is your future. This is the new chapter, the new page in your life that you are turning. So, Libra, it's been a pleasure reading for you. Thanks so much for watching. And I'll see you next time. Until then, take very good care. Bye-bye.